Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the health benefits of olive oil, a versatile and delicious ingredient that has been used for centuries for cooking, beauty, and overall health. First, let's discuss the essential nutrients found in olive oil. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which help to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is also a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This makes olive oil an excellent addition to a healthy diet. In addition to its heart-healthy properties, olive oil has been linked to several health benefits related to our skin and hair. Olive oil contains antioxidants that help protect our skin from environmental damage and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. It's also used in many beauty treatments, such as face masks and hair conditioners, due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Now, let's talk about the cooking benefits of olive oil. In moderation, olive oil can be a healthy addition to any diet. When used as a cooking oil, it helps to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help prevent chronic diseases. Olive oil's high smoke point makes it a great choice for cooking at high temperatures without causing damage to the food being cooked. In conclusion, olive oil is a fantastic ingredient with numerous health benefits. It's not only a delicious source of fat, but also a powerful antioxidant and great for cooking and beauty treatments. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet and cooking can be a simple way to improve your overall health and well-being.